Hey guys, and I want to share an issue with you. Issue is the Gap Factory store. The trouble is that I have this exact order that was for quite a lot of money, and I mean it was placed on September 10th, and I actually missed at some point how specifically one of the shipments, because it was shipped in several, one of the shipments was lost in transit. So if I followed this tracking number, here it is, right? And I followed specifically. It says on its way. It hasn't got any updates since September 16th, and well, I just encountered it like yesterday, literally. And if I go to the UPS tracking, it says it is like lost, obviously lost somewhere. And take a look what does these kind of bullshit guys on the support say me. This is absolutely ridiculous. First of all, you're like really staggered with the AI assistant, which is useless. I really encourage companies to not use them because it's not helpful at all. It doesn't like help anything. And well, anyways, they pretend to be nice after some stating the initial information, verifying some billing address, etc. They truly appreciate me as a valid Icon Rewards member because I'm on the highest tier and their deliveries because I'm buying a lot. And well, specific items, and of course, since it's like long time ago, because I have a lot of those orders, that's the trouble. And they still keep telling me that well, there is a procedure of 30 days, and for anything that was issued more than 30 days ago, it's absolutely outside of their company guidelines. So technically, they have stolen the money, which is $16 and $18. And well, I mean, seriously, like it. I don't get it. Have you ever encountered this? And have you ever like fought with this kind of attitude? Because this is absolutely insane and ridiculous. They insist that I should be contacting the uh, bank about the charges. Seriously, what the bank has to do with this? Because in my understanding, it's very simple. So first of all, they got the money. They had to give something in return. They haven't given something in return and they still got the money. Why should I be contacting some third party about this? To just either receive a refund or to receive my items, which I never got. And well, take a look what kind of like bullshit literally these guys tell. So, yes, I'm telling him that I'm recording a video right now. And well, since there is no resolution, I don't know what to do. I will have to make this thing public. And I hope that YouTube monetization and, well, maybe eventually TikTok monetization as well will be covering enough. Because please tell me what to do with this kind of attitude. Maybe you should stop buying this kind of brands, right? So, Gap Factory is number one. You should avoid, because if you will like figure out that you like miss some certain items, because I have a lot, I could have missed like one parcel literally, then you are left with like your money stolen. And well, that's nothing that what you can do. And well, that's a problem. That's a problem. Tell me, what do we do? Maybe there is any one of you who is a lawyer and who knows how to sue them for this, because I mean, I have all the cards on my side and I'm absolutely rightful user of this. So if there are any, please contact me and we will proceed this further, because like I'm fed up. Seriously, very fed up. Avoid Gap Factory at any cost. I hope like this helps. And I mean, because well, my frustration is beyond the limits. It's absolutely insane. Anyways, thanks for now and see you. And well, I already wanted to finish this. Like you have seen the chat finishing on yes, I'm recording a video about this, but look how bold they are. They state me in my face that this chat is also recorded, thinking that I don't know about this, right? But well, seriously, I mean, this is absolutely insane and intolerable behavior from the Gap assistant. I don't know who that was. And well, I'm like, actually, I have been provoked to ask them these kind of questions because, well, seriously, is this a corporate policy for a Gap Factory to steal the client's money? And they say that they don't have any information about that. And well, I tell them that yes, they do, because they had just confirmed that they have stolen my money. They refused to do a refund or reship of the item, aside, like, despite the clear and the most clear evidence has been provided that the items were never ever delivered. You understand, right? And well, my very simple question, on which exact legal basis do they keep my money? And he just like flushed himself out, like he or she, I don't know who it was. And they I mean, it sounds really worrying that they kind of report these details of this chat to our leadership team. Well, they should definitely do, because this is absolutely insane behavior on their side. I'm really pissed off with this group of brands. I'm really pissed off with Gap Factory, with Old Navy, and everything else they have. I cannot recommend buying from them, because once you will be facing these same issues, you will be treated the exact same way. Yes, yes, my lads. And well, I mean, I might sound not being really positive about this, but how can you be positive about this? Let me know. Still, lawyers, if you do have any information how we can do this in suing this kind of company, because this is very serious. I am like, oh, emotionally unstable right now. So, well, you got me right. Okay? Well, so whatever, Blake. We have the real facts and we have the reality as it is. Pure facts, nothing else.